Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a page border in MS Word quickly and easily. So let's get started. Make sure you open the document on MS Word where you want to add the page border. Now, go to the top menu and click on the Design tab. If you're using an older version of Word, you may find this option under the Page Layout tab. Here, look for Page Borders and click on it. A new window will open called Borders and Shading. Now click on the Page Border tab. Here, you'll see different border settings. You can choose box if you want a simple border around your page. Below that, you can select the style of the border, like solid lines, dotted lines, or double lines. You can also change the color and adjust the width to make the border thicker or thinner. If you want something more creative, click on the Art dropdown and choose from the Decorative Border Designs. Now, under Apply To, make sure it's set to whole document if you want the border on all pages. Once everything looks good, click OK. And that's it. Your page border is now added. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy MS Word tutorials. Thanks for watching.